Hello everyone, so in this video, let's talk about a easy problem from LeetCode. The problem name is the two sneaky numbers of Digitville. So as you can see, there's a town of Digitville. There is a list of numbers called nums containing integers from 0 to n minus 1. Each number was supposed to appear exactly once in the list. However, two mischievous numbers sneaked in an additional time, making the list longer than usual. As a town defect, as a town defective, detective, sorry. Your task is to find out these two sneaky numbers, return an array of size 2 containing the two numbers in any order. So please can return to digital. So as you can see here that they're numbers, but there are two numbers that actually, so every number should appears exactly once, but our two mischievous numbers sneaked in as an additional time. So like two numbers are there that are twice repeated, else number everything should be one time, but like two numbers are there that are twice. So you have to tell which numbers are twice. As you can see here, both of the numbers 0 and 1 are twice. In this, 2 is twice and 3 is twice. Okay. So how can you solve it? Like pretty much simple. What you can do is you can like see there are multiple ways. Either you can sort the array and find out the twice number, that the twice will be consecutive, so you can easily find them out. Or better than that, sorting will take O of n log n. Better than that, you can use some extra space as a map or some vector because the size is very small, as you can see here. Okay, and then keep on count what number has occurred exactly two times and just store it in some pair and then just print. So nothing much difficult here. It's just that I've used a vector here, just an array. You can say here dynamic array is there. So what I've created is that I've created this. This is the answer and this is the count. This will be given as the answer. This is the count. So what I'll do is iterate over all the elements one by one over this nums, and then increment the value of count at how much time it occurs. If the count becomes 2, which means that it has occurred 2 times, so whatever is the number, just push that in the answer and then just print out. Nothing much difficult. It's very simple problem. Thought to make a video on this. So I hope you understand the logic in the code part. So the overall time complexity is O of, as you can see, this is O of n for a for loop, and insertion all of this is also O of, you can say, so O of 1. So adding this is O of 1 because it's just a array, and this also is O of 1. So overall time complexity is O of n, and the space is also O of n because you're using. Okay. Now you can increase the time complexity by O of n log n and like reduce the space complexity, whatever you require. Okay. That's the complete logic on the code part for this particular problem. If you still have any doubts, you can mention on the comment box of this video. I will see you next one. Coding and bye.